Yes, finally!
They're ready! See you on the beach! Yee! See you at the beach!
At this moment, no one can tell where we should go. Oh, it's coming. We thought we had it, the truth about our common soul. That it was fantasy, nothing to put belief in. As soon as we saw the ocean, we knew what we had become, defying our own emotion, pretending land was our own. We couldn't embrace the notion that we were meant for something more, something beautiful, something beautiful. At this moment, it's time to tell where we should go. But how can I be sure?
Baka cool! Ipis na yak ako!
Ayaw, di ba?
Baka cool!
Bakakuk!
Matabungkay!
We're here.
Yan! Dahil mo, bye!
So we're here at Matabung Cay Hotel. Bali, nasa room 303 kami. Ayun ang pool. Ganda. Ang laki ng kwarto. Sobrang laki ng kwarto. Nagkamali ata ako ng booking. Kaya pala mahal. So, ayan. Merong, anong tawag dito? Veranda. So, dito lalabas mamaya yung, yung kapre. And then, ito yung papasok sa kwarto. From outside.
Outside.
Ayan. Taran! Ang laki ng kwarto. Siyong ako rin talaga mag-book no? Dapat lang yung room lang talaga, pero na-excite ata ako. Sa paglabas, ayan, merong living room, merong TV, merong dining area. For the UTI! Hello, UTI! Tapos meron nito. Ano ba to? Locker? Locker daw lang yung lock. So, eto. Ang laki talaga. Parang mas malaki pa to sa bahay namin. Are you guys happy? Sana paglaki nyo, dali nyo kami sa magagandang hotel. Okay? What will you say?
Thank you. TYSM.
Okay, let's close the door.
TYSM.
Ito yung Ito yung kama. Bali na pagod siya sa pag-drive. Ilang oras yung biyahe?
2 hours minutes.
2 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. Huy! Ang taba! Bawal magbaon ng food dito. I mean, yung food na may rice, So, ang pwede lang, chichirya, tsaka, drinks. So, eto na. Ito lang kakainin namin for 2 days. O, ayan. Dito na pala. Ang mga anak sa mayaman. Pero, pag uwi sa bahay, sa San Pedro, putol na ang miral ko. Ang mga anak sa mayaman. Kay gwapo talaga ninyo, day. Napakaganda siguro talaga sa nanay yan.
Yun, low tide.
Ayaw, di ma.
Low tide yun. Layo yung water.
Hello. Yan. Digging na sila ng sand. Ang laging nilang re-request.
Sand.
Kaya napupunta kami sa dagat. Kung saan sa ang dagat, pwede naman sa hardware na lang. Hi guys! Hello!
Are you having fun?
Yes.
What are you building? Nothing. How about a puzzle? You know how to build a puzzle?
Give me that beat.
Okay, and then what are you going to do with the beetle? Oh! You did nothing.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back.
Hello. Dito kami sa Matabungkay Beach Hotel. For overnight lang. Konting break. Tapos balik na naman sa dati. Yan. Low tide. Bukas pa daw ng umaga tataas ulit ng tubig. Parang merong namumuong sa mga panahon doon. Ano mangyayari? Kung sana umulan. Laki na ng ano. Ba, ulan o ano?
Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
Kakain na kami.
Tataas mangot ka.
Gutom na. Kain na kami.
Gutom na kami.
Ikaw. Saan na tayo?
Kain na kami.
Kain na tayo.
Sana may aniray sila. Yung tag 99 lang.
Para puro kanin-kanin lang. We're gonna eat. Kanin tubig.
Kanin sabaw. Sana may pares. Para Andy. What are you gonna eat?
Chicken.
Chicken?
Yup.
How about you, kuya? What do you want? You like chicken too? But our budget is for only sabaw. Okay, we're here na. We're gonna eat. Kasi sobrang gutom na namin. Hanap kami ng pares. We're here in the lobby. And then, eto na yung kanilang restaurant. We're going to order na. Hi, kuya. Are you hungry?
Ganda po ng fish mo.
Yes. Okay, tayo. Sana may nok. May order sa Nobo. Okay, order na kami. Saan po yung tag 99 nyo?
No.
Ba't wala po kayong tag ano? Wala po kayong tag 69? What's your order? water. Ganda ng ano nila, restaurant. Tapos, this side ay yung isang pool. Bali, dalawa yung pool nila. Yan. Order namin. Fried rice. Shit, yummy. Sayang, walang pares dito. Sinigang.
Hindi kami tagtipid ngayon. Sinigang, may laman yan. Hindi puro gulay.
Fried rice. 10 lang to sa San Vicente. Sinigang, sarap. Chicken, calamari. 250 sa landayan. How about you?
Yummy!
Oh, well. Okay na.
Doon po yung may billiard. May billiard.
Gusto kami kumain.
May tao.
Apat lang yung room dito sa third floor.
May tao doon.
Yung mga ano lang,
Three.
yung mga VIP lang. Puro Chinese family. Ay, mga Korean family.